In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email groups in Microsoft Outlook. If you send messages to the same set of people regularly, like a project team, a class, or a department, email groups can save you time and keep communication consistent. We'll walk through creating one from scratch, nice and easy. Start by opening Outlook. On the left side of the window, look for the People view. It's the one with the people icon. Click that to switch from your mail to your contacts. This area is where all your contacts and groups live, and it's the right place to build a new group. At the top, find the New Contact button. There's a small drop-down arrow right next to it. Click that arrow and then choose Contact Group. This opens a new window dedicated to building your group. Think of this as your group's home base. Give your group a clear name. Choose something descriptive like Team Updates or Client a Weekly so you'll recognize it quickly when you're composing an email later. A clear name also helps you and anyone else who might manage contacts understand what the group is for at a glance. Now let's add people. On the right side of this window, next to the Notes area, you'll see Add Members. Click that. You'll get three options from Outlook contacts, from Address Book, or New Email Contact. If the person is already saved in Outlook or your organization's directory, you can pull them in from Contacts or the Address Book. In this walkthrough, we'll choose New Email Contact. When the small dialog appears, enter the display name, the name you want to see in the group, and the email address. Double-check the email address for typos, since that's the most common source of delivery issues. When you're done, click OK. You'll now see your new group window showing the person you just added. At this point, the group contains only one member, because we added just one. But this is a group, so you can repeat the same Add Members action to include as many people as you need. Mix and match sources too. Pull some from your contacts, others from your directory, and add new email contacts as needed. A quick tip: the Notes area is a handy spot to jot a short description like the purpose of the group or when to use it, which can be helpful later. That's it. That's how to create email groups in Microsoft Outlook. You're now ready to use this group when composing an email, saving you time and ensuring everyone gets the same message. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tips.